Hey folks, it's Duke here from GeoFolks. Today we're in QGIS and we're going to work on just making a Polygon shapefile. So what we'll do first is we'll go up to Layer. We'll take Create Layer and I'll go New Shapefile Layer. Then I'll give it a name. Then I will give it a geometry type. It's like Polygon. I'll give it a coordinate system by dropping down and selecting one, or clicking this globe over here to select the coordinate systems out of this dialog box. Then once I have that, I have the option to create fields. I don't need any fields now, so I'm just going to go OK. Okay, so now you can see that our shapefile has been created over here in our layers panel. So what we want to do is now we want to edit the shapefile and kind of give it some features. So what you can do is you can go to this pencil button here and you can toggle editing on. If you don't see that, that means that the pencil is not itself. The digitizing toolbar is potentially not there. So if you don't see that pencil, that means the digitizing toolbar is potentially disabled. So what you can do is you can right click on a blank space, go down till you see the digitizing toolbar and click that to enable it. Okay, once we have that enabled, we can go ahead over here and click the toggle editing button. Then we can go over here to add polygon, and then we can make our polygon by left clicking and then left clicking at the different vertices. Then when we're done, we can click. Then when we're done, we can right click. Then we can give it an ID. Click OK. And now we can see if we go to open our attribute table, we can see that we have one feature in there. And we can select it and see that it's the one that we just created. To stop editing, what you can do is you can either click Save here, or you can click this switch and you should have the option to save from there. Hope this video helps. Thanks. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content.